Hey everyone, welcome back to another interesting video. You are watching NFV Tech, and today we are going to talk about Axion OS on our Redmi Note 10 Pro Max. As you can see, this is our Redmi Note 10 Pro Max, and this custom ROM usually comes with Android 16, but here you will get the November 1, 2025 security patch. And here in the UI section they have really done a good job. Then if you are keen into UI, then you can definitely go for this custom ROM. And one major problem of this custom ROM is that it doesn't support fast charging that any other custom ROM usually comes with. Like if I had to mention any other custom ROM name, then I would tell you that you can go for Pixel OS. And also this custom ROM has another problem, like you have to use Orange Fox recovery, otherwise like it does not comes with their own custom recovery that usually any other custom ROM comes with. And but here you will find numerous customization option like in the Axion hub you will find themes, lock screen, UI features, speech, sound, gestures, and a lot of other things. Like here we can see game spoofing, if game is spoofing, play integrity, tricky store, and also this custom ROM comes with PC mode. And in the lock screen setting you will find a lot of other options. Like if I go to a lock screen, then here you can see it, like here lock style and Wi-Fi options. You can change it by going there, like clock. Here from here we can choose the clock style, and that's all. So if you really want to use Axion OS, then keep in mind all of the problems it usually comes with, then you can definitely go for this, and I will tell you that you will definitely enjoy the UI. And thank you for watching my video. If you really enjoyed and find this video is helpful for you, don't forget to like this video and hit the subscribe button for more interesting video.